Welcome to Captain Motivate. The first to download the link coming up. Also place in the description and comment box. That is this app uninstall. That's it. Then open the file. This will be the interface when you log in for the first time. You should sign up before going further. Let's sign up ourselves. When you install it first time, this will be the interface. You should log into this account. This is the second part. So let's log in. Please subscribe to my channel. Just put your email ID and you will get a OTP on it. Consider to like this video please. And it will redirect to that X game app again. Then there will be the download part of this. You should search that fighting path and you
It's
download
around
it. After the
1.7 GB.
downloading happen, put the email ID and password and log in and enter the game. Fighting path again. This is the interface and it's still working as you can see. And thank you for watching the video on how to download and install One Piece Fighting Path. Thank you all. Please consider to like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment it on this video. Thank you all once again.